Hi and welcome to MSc. In this video we're going to be looking at the difference between an intersection and a union. So to dig into this, we're going to consider two sets. We're going to consider X consisting of the numbers 5, 6, and 7 as illustrated here below, and set A. And you will notice that there is some numbers that they have in common, 6 and 7, but A also contains other numbers as well. So let's turn this diagram here into a Venn diagram by drawing A as well. And in this we can see quite clearly that there is an overlap of two numbers, being 6 and 7. So this brings us to the idea of an intersection. And whenever I think of an intersection, I think of the idea of an overlap, looking at where those two sets overlap with one another. So in this case, we could write it out like this. We could say that the intersection, an intersection is an upside down U. So the intersection of X and A is equal to the set 6, 7. And that is the intersection. The intersection represents the overlap, numbers that are in both X and A. On the other hand, when I think of a union, I think of the word together. If things are united, they are brought together. So if we look at the union of X and A, when union is a capital U, the union of X and A, then this is going to be both sets together. So we would have 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And that is the union. So it's numbers that are in either set. I can sometimes explain it as taking X and A and dumping them into the bowl here that is the union. It's everything all together. So an intersection is where they overlap. The union is both sets combined. I hope that this short video has been helpful to understand the difference between an intersection and a union. If it has, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the station. And as always, thank you so much for listening and watching.